Hot news, Kelly Khumalo's secret exposed herself. Kelly Khumalo has finally spoken out about the incident that happened to her at an F Provincial Manifesto launch held over the weekend in Durban. Kelly, who was booked as one of the artists set to perform at the Manifesto, found herself being ridiculed moments after taking center stage. A group of attendees hung a banner written "Justice for Senzo," which led to Kelly only performing 2 songs. After seeing the banner, left the event immediately. Clearly shocked at the harassment towards Kelly, social media users defended the singer and expressed their dismay in the social bullying towards the singer. Although Kelly remained silent for most part of the afternoon, while people on social media went back and forth about the incident, the singer eventually came out to express that she is not threatened by any bullies. So what is the latest on Senzo Meyiwa's case? In February, there was a rumor that an arrest had been made for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. However, the police dismissed the rumors and highlighted it as fake news. Police spokesperson Brigadier Vish Naidu informed the media that the police would make an official announcement should there be any new developments in the investigation. Senzo was shot dead in October 2014, while at Kelly Khumalo's home in Vosloorus. No arrest has been made to date. Police Minister Vicky Sell last year ordered the reopening of the investigation and for the case to be treated as a high-profile murder.
Yeah.